Our Tap to Adapt series uses a unique format of EMDR. Instead of the individual format, we have applied a group version.
Yeah, once we completed a specialized training for Group EMDR, we both realized that our community could really use and benefit from having these standalone workshops to address common life stressors. We know not everyone has the time or the resources to commit to long-term therapy, but we thought maybe people could carve out just 90 minutes to work on self-improvement or self-care, where the work that they do in just this one 90-minute setting can have ripple effects that last a lifetime. So we took the Group EMDR format and we tailored it to our community. During the Tap to Adapt workshops, we worked together to lead participants through 6 EMDR-based steps where people learn, practice, and apply these steps to lower stress and boost resilience.
And that is what it's all about, lowering stress and boosting resilience in a gentle yet powerful way. If you are interested or would like more information, visit our website at
www.taptoadapt.com.